Hi, thank you for watching this video. In this channel, I will be reviewing different cars being sold here in the Philippines. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. Thank you. This is a review of Hilux 4x4 Conquest manual transmission. The SRP of this current model is 1.662 million pesos only. This variant is the second most expensive variant of Hilux. So the biggest difference is that this is a manual transmission and the most expensive one is an automatic transmission. Let me show you the around view of the car first. It has a huge Conquest sticker at the rear gate that makes everyone know that you are driving a Conquest. The alloy wheels on this Conquest model is identical to the top variant of a Fortuner. Please be reminded that many people steal the center caps, so you will need to buy an aftermarket center cap lock. Now, let me show you the front fascia in detail. Being one of the top variants, it is equipped with plenty of LED lights, and it even says Hilux on its headlight. The fog lamp, very macho honeycomb grille with black gloss. That makes this a head turner in pickups. These are 18-inch alloy wheels, ventilated disc brakes, turn signal lamps on the side mirror. Let's get inside. This car is equipped with keyless entry, manual seat adjustment, fabric seats, tire loading information. Door panel is made of hard plastic. And there's a warning sticker for using the differential lock system. Small speaker. Let's get inside for real this time. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Plenty of glossy finish. Many would complain that this is a fingerprint magnet. You have the aircon vent, the cup holder, plenty of blank buttons, fuel cap release and hood release, glossy handle, leather wrapped handle with stitching, automatic lights, more hard plastic with open and close center vent dial, another cup holder, digital automatic air condition, the 4x4 control, the 12-volt rear differential lock, USB and aux with more blanks, another 12-volt manual shifter with leather, the top compartment. It also serves as a mini cooler with the aircon vent inside. And the bottom glove box. No mirror and lights in the sun visor, glasses holder, individual map lights, a mirror but no light. Intelligent manual transmission, eco mode and power mode. The center console with cup holders and storage. The handbrake, convenient handle. The headliner is fabric as well. The interior is a mixed plastic and gloss. This is how you'd see the rear from the front. This is equipped with the push start button. Let me try it without the key. Let's go to the second row. A little fabric on the door panel, generally hard plastic with power window button and speaker and storage. It also comes with a stepboard. Let's climb in. Can't believe they included this handle. Oh my goodness, Toyota, thank you. Seriously, they never include anything for free. Ample leg space, and this is the view from the second row. The interior is quite modern for a pickup. The rear view from the second row. Rear window with defogger. There's a cabin light. There's a pouch behind the front seats with hooks for your bags. Let me turn on the lights. Let me show you the back now. Just above the huge Conquest sticker, there is a straightforward handle to release the third gate. And you also see the third brake light. It doesn't open softly, so it's quite heavy. The Bedliner with some hooks or hoops. Is that the roof ornament? And there's a giant Toyota logo with robot-like design. And it does not come with a backup camera. This is how the bottom looks like with a spare tire, but it still has the 2-eye backup sensor. Now to show you the front fascia with the lights on. What do you think, guys? It definitely looks really cool. If you enjoyed the video, please press the like button, comment, and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.